She injured her shoulder after, it's gonna sound a little dramatic, but after she fell off a balcony, which it was dramatic. It was very dramatic. Evelyn Harper with Forever Fit. You are part of the Fit in 5 series. It is anywhere between 5 minutes and 10 minutes. Today we are working our upper body, just focusing on our joint health and probably getting a little tone as we go. So first things first, you have these rotational lateral raises. So rotating there at the bottom and coming up as high as you can. Now, this is one of those exercises that my mom would be like, that hurts my shoulder, I can't do the rotation. Then don't. Just do the lateral raise. Don't go all the way down, and you're coming up about halfway, up to your shoulders. And I say my mom would say that because these videos initially, I started after she took my online Fit in 5 course and started working out consistently. So I started doing them, and it was fun. It was like a little accountability on both ends of I'll do these videos and do your workouts, and you let me know what you think of them. So this is one of those exercises that she would tell me that, that hurts. Once upon a time, she injured her shoulder after, this is gonna sound a little dramatic, but after she fell off a balcony, which it was dramatic. It was very dramatic. She was cleaning the gutters, and I don't remember the full details. I just remember my dad coming to pick me up from school and being like, there was an accident. I was like, what? What kind of accident? It's like, your mom fell off the balcony. I was like, what? I started like bawling, crying, and he's like, I mean, she's fine, but that's just like what happened. I was like, well, that's one way to present the information there, father. So anywho, she hurt her shoulder doing that, and so this exercise might be a little bit much, so just turn it into more of a lateral raise. Like so. All of these exercises are in support of our joints, and we are just going to be using 2.5s the entire time. Anytime I do shoulder work and my shoulders are feeling toasty, then I'm going to turn to a tricep or a bicep movement. So these are just tricep kickbacks, tiny break, and then you're straight again. You can still see the muscles in my shoulder moving, which I love. I love that the finer muscles are playing their role. I'm like, oh, we can help. Okay, well, let's keep helping. Keep going. Triceps should be firing. Let's hold. Just lock out your arm. This is the hardest part of this movement, and you can also squish your arms together more. There in the back, squishing them together. Let's go back to these split-second holds. Good, good, good. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Woo! Give them a break. Shake it out for a quick second, and now we're going on to our biceps. This is where you get creative and figure out where you can target your biceps the best. So I like to lean over, and you're kind of fighting gravity in the hardest parts. Flex my bicep and bring my elbow out. I can feel my back engage while I'm doing these, which is good. Sometimes I'll just hold one side, and so I can just focus on this one arm. This is probably where I feel it the most. So again, play around with it. Bring my elbow out in front so it's isolating my bicep more. I'm going to do 15 more on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then I'm going to go into big ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. Okay. That side is toasty. All right, going on to this side. 7, 8, 9. If you start feeling your back pull too much, stand up straight. Get to the hard parts of your bicep. Keep it flexed. There's a lot of little pieces, which can be good or it can be overwhelming. But regardless, it's helping you figure out, helping you learn your body more. So I would stick with me here. And even if you just have to switch it to a full bicep curl, that is totally fine. Just keep it simple. Full bicep curl. This is me probably overcomplicating it, but I want to make sure you get the most out of our time together. So, let's keep going. Big ones. Let's do 5 more. 1, slow it down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. All right, shake it out. And we will finish with lateral raises as we're talking through this last little bit. But hope you enjoyed the workout. Just keep it simple, your workouts. Do what you can. Throw on 5 minutes of one of these workouts in the morning. Remember, the green thumbnail workouts are for people who are just getting back into working out versus the pink thumbnail, which kind of looks a little bit more like a gray, but are for people who are looking to tone up. I still suggest giving those pink workouts a whirl despite your fitness level because there's modifications for everything. You'll feel results immediately, but you might start seeing results within a couple days, then a couple weeks, months. The idea of toning up, honestly, it starts with your diet. And if you want to simplify any of that, check out my fitness blueprint for a busy mind, which is tagged below. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day and see you in tomorrow's workout.